A working harbour, narrow streets shaped by centuries of coastal life, and a village whose history is written into every corner of its waterfront. It's one of Cornwall's most recognisable fishing villages, but behind the postcard views lies a story of two communities that became one, and a harbour that once helped supply much of Europe with Cornish pilchards. Welcome to Mevagissey. At first glance, Mevagissey appears to be exactly what many people imagine a Cornish fishing village should be. A sheltered harbour, narrow streets climbing up a steep hillside. Look a little closer and a more interesting story begins to emerge. What many visitors don't realise is that Mevagissey began as two separate settlements, known as Meva and Gissey. Over time, the communities expanded and merged together, eventually forming the village we see today. Even now, much of Mevagissey still reflects that history. The harbour remains the centre of village life, and many of the buildings around the waterfront continue to serve the purpose for which they originally built. Fishing shaped Mevagissey for much of its history. During the 18th and 19th centuries, the village became an important centre for the pilchard industry. Large catches were landed here, processed near the harbour and exported across Europe. The sea brought prosperity, but it also brought uncertainty, and the life in a village was closely tied to the success of each fishing season. Although today tourism is now an important part of the local economy, Mevagissey has retained much of its connection to the sea. Looking around the harbour, it's easy to see how generations of fishermen, merchants and local families help shape the village that exists here now. We are Cinematic Travels, and we really hope you enjoy our videos. And please like and subscribe if you do.